everyone, my name is Mohammed Yahya and I am a rapper and a spoken word artist slash poet. So today we're going to be working on a poem or a rap together. This is going to be a very fun exercise that you can do by yourself, you can do with your family, with your parents or your guardians, or you can do it also with your siblings if you have any. And it's very easy. You're going to need only two things, actually three things. The first thing, a pen or pencil, nice and easy. The second thing is some paper. And the third thing is a mind full of imagination. So what we're going to try and do is write a poem or a rap about our city and our surroundings. So just so that you guys know, if you are completing the Explore Part C, you will need to document the whole process of this. So I would suggest, if you're going to make a poem or rap, make sure that you write it, hold on to what you've created, and also take pictures. Maybe take pictures of the process from you writing it at the beginning to the end. So the whole thing, or alternatively, you can also record it. Okay, so the first thing or the first exercise that you're going to do is think about your home and some of the favorite things that you have within your house. So I've written some of my favorite things. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I think the camera might be the other way around, so I don't think you can actually see the words, but I'll read them out to you. So for me, I usually write home right here in the middle, and then I write some of my favorite things. So I have things I like to do with my family, how do I start my day, my favorite toys, my favorite TV shows, my favorite food, and also my favorite hobbies. So go ahead and write down some of your favorite things that I've just mentioned. Once you've completed that, we're going to go further out, so away from the home, and you're going to take your mind, so you're going to imagine what it's like to go out into your neighborhood and think about that. So you can look out your window, or you can just sit down, close your eyes, and think about your neighborhood. So here I have your city and some of my favorite things. So it could be my family, could be friends. Who are some of your favorite friends? What about your school? Tell us a little bit about your school. What are your favorite subjects? What are some of your favorite colleagues? Who are your favorite teachers? What about in your city? What are some of the favorite things or places that you like to visit? So maybe your favorite parks. Is there a local park? What about stores? Is there a favorite store? So you can go ahead and talk about all of those things. So initially, just write down lots of words that are related to the favorite things. So if you say school, then maybe it's things that you do at school. If you're writing about your favorite toys, maybe you can name some of your favorite toys and why you like them. So once you have a whole bunch of words and lines, then we can actually start creating the poem. Okay, so I will go ahead and start mine, and I will share what I've done with you later. Okay, bye-bye. Hello everyone. So hopefully now you should have a couple of pages full of different words and sentences that were inspired by some of the things that you wrote before, which were some of your favorite foods, some of your favorite games, some of the things that you like to do at home with your family, maybe some of your friends in school. What games do you like to play at school? Who are your favorite teachers? And what are your favorite hobbies? Anyway, so I decided to write my piece, and I'm going to read it out to you. Okay, wake up in the morning before the sun rise. Stretch my legs, wipe the sleep from my eyes. Give thanks for another beautiful day. Morning ablution, then time to pray. Out of my house into this vibrant space with cultural diversities from every place. We look a little different if you only see the skin, but truly we're the same if you're focusing within. The same color blood pumps through our veins. Don't you cry inside whenever you feel pain? Emotions of the soul we fight to control. The thoughts of being vulnerable, scared to let go. It's the very same feeling we protect and hide, like a mental apartheid buried inside. But a new global tribe is destined to rise. It's time to unify with our hearts and mind. So that is mine. I really look forward to seeing yours and seeing what you create. Feel free to get other people involved, maybe people you live with. Maybe you can contact your friends and get them to also write a poem or a rap. So good luck. I hope it all goes well. Bye bye.